Hello world, Lisa Friedrichsen, your friend and computer science professor with another short screencast about Access. And in this series, we're looking at some of the Access templates, particularly the Northwind database template. We started with this Northwind Starter Edition icon. Now, I've never had a client start a database from scratch and just use it from one of these templates. And there are many templates based on a wide variety of subjects. However, they are great for ideas. Unfortunately, there's a lot of complexity to them as well. So sometimes it's just easier to start from scratch and build that database as you want it that meets your specific needs. However, they are great for ideas and for learning. One of the things you're faced with when you open an Access database that might be annoying is the fact that you get this message: the active content in this file is blocked. Review your Trust Center settings. And that's exactly what we're going to do, because it's annoying to get that dialog box every time you open up a database, and it's also annoying to have to click this Enable Content command button. But you must click it if you want your macros and modules to work. So what we're going to do is learn how to always trust the database so that you do not have to respond to those two prompts every time you open up a database. So it's under File and then Options and the Trust Center option. We're going to go into the Trust Center settings, and there's different things you can trust. I personally like to trust locations, which are folders on your computer. You can trust individual documents, which would be an individual database. If you trust an entire location, then just put your Access databases in that folder, and all of them will be trusted, and you will not have to click those two prompts every time you open up the database. So we're going to add a new location, and I'm going to browse on my desktop called Sample Databases, and that's the one that I want to trust. I'll go ahead and click OK, and the full path, users Lisa to my desktop, and then my Sample Databases folder is the new trusted location. If you have subfolders of that folder that you also want to trust, be sure you click this checkbox, fill in the description if desired, and then click OK. Now I've got that new location as a trusted location. I'm going to click OK, OK. I'm going to go ahead and close Access and then restart that database from this Sample Databases folder on my desktop. You'll notice that no longer am I going to be prompted about Trust Center settings, nor do I get that Enable Content ribbon across the top of my database. Thank you.